replacing coolant bypass pipe of Range Rover.
Alright, so this engine has a coolant leak, and the coolant leak is coming from this bypass pipe. So I already removed this thing, and we're gonna install this new here, the bypass. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright, let me remind you guys, do not reuse the old O-rings, replace it. So we're gonna install the new one. Alright, everything seems good. So now we're gonna put the bolts for these pipes, both pipes. Okay. Alright, everything seems fine, and you see I done the torque for these bolts, and I put torque marks on it to make sure that nothing is left behind. So we're gonna finish it by putting the expansion tank, and we're gonna pressurize it, check for if there's any leak. Let's do this. There you go. So everything seems good, and already is torque. This expansion tank is good. We're gonna fill it up and pressurize it and inspect if there's any coolant leak after we put the pressure on it. So let's do this. Okay, so now that we have a pressure on this cooling system, now we're gonna check if there's any fluid leaks. Okay, so looking down here, the good thing is I don't see any fluid leaks down here. And just to remind you guys, we're gonna run the engine up to its normal operating temperature, and we're gonna inspect it again just to make sure that we did a great job. So yeah, that's it. It's almost done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's all. Thank you.